Okay, y'all, today we're going to try this cold brew technique. And y'all remember, maybe I don't. I got this from TEMU. It's cold brew, and it was only like $3 or something. The whole concept is you take coffee grinds and you put it, 5 years later, you put it in this, and then you fill this usually with water. I'm going to use almond milk. Now, we don't know how this is going to turn out, but as usual, per usual, I needed to record this just in case somebody else was wondering if you can do this and how it would turn out. So anyway, I only got like a little bit of this coffee left, so hopefully it's enough. If not, we're going to make it enough. Tell me what movie that is somewhat from. Okay, anyway, guys, let me get this coffee together. Okay, y'all, this really ain't a tutorial, but so I attached this thing back to this so I could place it in here after I put the milk in. So I guess that's about what, halfway? Yeah. So then you place this back in its Jones. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna just put it in the refrigerator. We're gonna wait. So this is the before. Yeah, I hope this is good. Okay, y'all. I actually let it seep or sit, chill, what have you, overnight, and these are the final results. I'm gonna do a quick taste. You already know I don't ever say that mess right, but I think it got a little something in there. I hope it's strong enough. I've been shaking it throughout the time it was in the refrigerator, just to make sure all the goodness get in all the goodness. So let's see how it tastes. And I'm just going to use just some regular white cane sugar. Okay, y'all. It did, it had some milk within the filter. So I just took a spoon and just pressed on the coffee grinds to add that little extra flavor in there. You see that? I want all the flavor. I'm here for all the flavors. So I think it's good now. So I'm going to take out, look how I look inside. Ooh. I'm going to take this out and go ahead and hook up this milk. See, it's milk. And see what it do. Okay. Okay, y'all, let's see how it tastes. Oh my God. I need more sugar. But it tastes like coffee. It don't taste bad, but it's not that sweet, y'all. But let me add some more sugar and give y'all a real taste test. More sugar. The flavor is just weak. So, of course, we're going to try it with water. I think water will probably have a better, stronger taste. So I think you saw how the milk got all clotted up, or however you want to say it, in the filter part. And I don't think enough coffee flavor was released. That is my personal opinion. But, hey, it ain't that bad. Yep. I think I just go with water. But when you already know, you're not going to drink the rest of this. So, cheers.